Hello guys. Welcome to the Work It Up graduates. My name is Tabo. So today I'll be talking about how you can be consistent with Forex trading. This is what I do. Most people usually ask me how I'm so consistent in Forex and how I make money so easily. And I tell them there's a lot that goes into it, but the main thing um, is how you interact with the charts and how you look at the chart and use certain strategies and focus on that strategy alone until you get the money that you want. So today I'll just be showing you of how I am consistent and how I make money with my students, and also just when I help people, how people can be consistent. Okay, just after the intro, I'll show you everything. Let's go. So yeah, just with all my videos, I just like to show transparency and just show people what I do, because that's just part of this. YouTube is just showing part of my journey, how I earn income, and I'm traveling the world, as you guys see on all my videos. Just want to show you my obviously my group and my students, and I show you how we've been consistent for like several months and how I stay consistent. Obviously, it's not always like fun and games and happiness. We all have drawdowns, whoever you are, whatever professional trader you are. So, but I want to just show you that what the question that most people have been asking me on, like my students and people who I help and show my group on my signal groups. So I'll be showing you some screenshots, and if you are part of my students and you're part of my signal groups, you already know, you'll see that this is obviously what has been happening in the group, and this is what is happening on a daily or weekly or monthly basis, because we stick to making sure we grow accounts and just move forward. All right, that's what I do with all my accounts. Okay, so yeah, let's just show the screenshots and just what we've been doing over the last few months. And then I'll go over what I do. Let's go.
Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep deprived and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind.
So yeah, guys, as you just saw that we turned like small accounts and we turned them to big accounts. Yeah. So and yeah, we've been having obviously like more wins, like 90%. But I'm not saying all the time it will be 90%. This is a market, okay? This is just what I've worked on over the 4 years, just been losing and just being a professional trader now. So I'm going to show you like a bit of what I do and how you can implement it in your trading to stay consistent and move forward. If you haven't checked my other video where I do show you how I grow small accounts, this is what I do normally, small accounts to huge accounts. I grew a $5 to $100. So you can just watch that after this. But yeah, let's go into the way of how you can be consistent. So the first thing you'd want to do when it comes to consistency is to make sure you go along with the trend, okay? So make sure that you can see where the trend is going. So that's my number one rule. If I do not see any trend or anything that makes sense, I stay away from that market. So I need to see something that is either trending or whether consolidating. That's how I am able to understand and go in when I first look at a chart. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, and then the second step is to look or stay away from spiky charts. Okay, like where it's too volatile and too choppy. Okay, that's what I do. So make sure you stay away from that, because this will lead us to the next step. Okay, so what will happen normally is that obviously when it's choppy, it will end up going to your take profit, your stop loss quickly, or your trading stop. So you don't want that to happen. Okay, so you want to stay away from that. Okay, and then the third way is to make sure that you have a higher risk to reward. Okay, so what I mean by that is that when you have a higher risk, you know that at least if you lose a little, and then you win a huge amount. Okay, that's what makes you consistent. That's helped me so much. Okay, from 2-3 years ago to help me stay consistent. So if you have that, then you should be good to go. I'll show you what I did basically the last few months or few weeks, and then I'll show you what's going ahead. The following trades we're gonna do just examples of how I do it. Okay, as I say, this is just my journey to show you how to be a profitable trader. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos from now on when it comes to Forex, where I show you how to stay consistent and how to master the game and be a professional trader like I do. Okay, and be successful and live your life the way you want to live it. Okay, so let's move on to the charts. So welcome guys. So that's the first thing I said. You look at it. So if you look at this chart, for example, USD chef, you follow the trend. Okay, so where is it going? It's going up. So this is what I would trade because I know where it's going. Okay, so that's the first step. Look at if it's trending somewhere or okay. So for example, if we had something like this, and then it goes here, and then it goes here, and it goes here again. This I wouldn't trade because I don't know what it's doing. So it's different. This one we can see it's going up. Okay, you can definitely see it's going up. So it's the best one to trade. As I spoke on my other videos, I would enter on the bottoms. Okay, let's just check another one. Which one can we check? Right, let's say AUD. Okay, just bring it to what I trade. Okay, so here's another chart. If you look at it, do you know where it's going? Okay, now we know it's going down. Okay, it's been going down. So this one I would trade. Okay, I would look for. I'd be looking for sales currently. Okay, but normally I usually do multi frame. Okay, as you can see, it's going down. Okay, it might be going up a bit and then go down. Okay, my speculation might go up here before it goes down. So we might see something like this and this, and then going down. Okay, yeah, that's my speculation, but still a good, like for here, here's another good example. Let's say we hadn't reached here. Can you see what the market is doing? Currently, the market is doing this. Okay. There's like sort of like a channel it's going in. So you know it's consolidating. So you trade on consolidation depending on your strategy. Okay. But we can see it's doing it sort of like ranging. Okay. So if we looked here before, I'm just you would have seen it's going up, it's going there. Okay, so you'd see it would have started going down, making lower highs going down. So at this point you start selling, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell. You see, you keep selling. Okay, it's sell opportunity, as you can see, still going down. So that's how you look at it. Okay, so, and the next thing, so you stay away from choppy. I'm trying to get a choppy chart. Okay, like here, if I saw this before, I wouldn't have traded it. I would have just left this alone. Okay. So let's say you enter here, for example. and you go up, and it will take you out on a stop loss here. So that's why I'm saying if it's choppy, I think Eurochef is normally choppy. Let's just check. Let me close this quickly. Okay, Eurochef. Eurochef. Okay, this one is normally choppy. Okay, let's just check it out. Okay, as you can see, there's no way I can trade this. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, it's going like this. We can see it's consolidating, but look at these spikes. It's not a good market to trade. Okay, I would normally just scalp these, but I'll just leave it alone for now. Okay, so I think it's just consolidating, and then it will do something soon. Okay, so it's been consolidating from July, so it's pretty hectic. It's mainly for scalpers here. Okay, so the next step. Let's go to the next step. So this is what we had last week. Trading, just chatting with my team and just the people I helped. Okay, it's been going up here, and then it started doing lower highs. So we waited for it to start. Cause it went down. We waited for it. So it went to the zone here, and then we entered here. Okay, and then we aim for a risk reward of 1:2. So we entered, it was here, from there, and then to there. Okay. So, because we know it started pushing down here, like rigorously. So we waited. Once it stopped pushing like rigorously, we knew, okay, now it's going down. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay, so this is another trade we did for EURUSD. We made a lot of money on this one. One of my students was actually did a very huge profits with this. It went all in because we've been waiting for this move. Okay, so just like I did, we knew we were just waiting for a risk to reward. Okay, so a risk to reward was started from here, and it went down to here. So we aimed at it was 80. Yeah, so it was just normally it's 1:3 or 1:2. Okay, that's normally our risk, how much risk we take. Yeah, so that's what we did for that. Yeah, we made a huge amount of money for this one. Sorry guys, I hope you did get value from this video, and you can probably use it on your trading and just understand how the basics are when it comes to being consistent trader and making a lot of money. As I say, this is what I do, and I've been doing for many years, and just making sure I'm profitable. Okay, so remember, trading is a probability, it's not a get rich quick scheme. So that's why you need to make sure you look at good trades and make sure you understand where the trend is going, and you understand also the risk involved there, and stay away from choppy ones. Those are the three best ones I can tell you. At least aim for 1:2 risk reward. Stay away from choppy markets, and make sure you understand where the market is actually going. Okay, when it starts changing, obviously you should get out, or do make sure you have your stop loss where it is. Okay, so as I say, just look at where it's going. Okay, and then find out where you can enter and you get out. Okay, just like I showed you. Okay, so once it starts changing direction, you can enter there. It will show you when it breaks, as I showed you there, or when it's already trending, and find opportunities, just like I did on my other video. Find opportunities going for the trend. Okay, you can just check that other video that I did before, showing you a beginner's strategy, how to do it. It's exactly the same. I just built from that. Okay, I just do that on my bigger one. Okay, So guys, I hope you did get value, and I hope you are going to implement it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I bring you all the value when it's come to making money online, mostly Forex trading, and because that's mostly what I do, and also other incomes that I do. Okay, Forex trading tips, and also just ways you can make money online consistently, and real legit ways that most people don't really talk about. Okay, this I make sure I give you value so you understand and go implement it now. Okay, not tomorrow or any other thing. You can implement it in your trading or whatever you're doing. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video, guys. To all traders, I wish you a profitable week. Let's go.